Portal Science, share the knowledge. Break Radio 92.8 FM. News Today with Dirgahayu Maharestu. A new species of dinosaurs has been identified. A decade after its remains were discovered in the Badlands of Montana, Bill Shipp, a retired nuclear physicist, discovered the specimen in 2005. A team of scientists led by Jordan Mellon at the Canadian Museum of Nature in Ottawa published their analysis of the fossil in the online science journal PLOS ONE on May 18. The species, dubbed Spatialpos shipporum, is nicknamed Judith after the Judith Rock Formation. According to Mellon, what sets Judith apart from the other horned dinosaurs are the horn over the eyes, which stick out sideways, and the unique arrangement of the spikes on the elaborate head shield. Judith goes on display to the public at the Canadian Museum of Nature on May 24.
Judith is a horned dinosaur closely related to others here at the Canadian Museum of Nature. But one of the things that makes Judith so special is that it's a new species. We know this from the unique shape of its horns and frill. If you look carefully at the brow horns, you'll see that they stick out sideways from the skull. This is a key difference from other species, many of which have their horns projecting forward. There's also a unique arrangement to the impressive spikes at the back of the frill. It's an elaborate display. Note the forward curling spikes near the midline and the radiating spikes towards the sides. These features led us to give Judith the scientific name Spiclipius shipporum. Spiclipius is Latin for spiked shield, in reference to the impressive head frill. And the second part of the name, shipporum, honors the Shipp family, on whose land the fossil was found.
Sydney to London in 2-hour flight on track for 2018 maiden launch. What you're gonna get if take the new flight from Sydney to London that's only going to take 2 hours? Well, that's in the future. The first flight is actually on track for a maiden launch of 20 in 2018. Michelle Schmartz's hypersonic escape from the University of Queensland, who was working on the test, told AVP quote, "You could fly long distance over the Earth very, very quickly."
I think it will work. I mean, Airbus wouldn't have gone this far in filing patents if they hadn't thought that at some point they are going to need to do it, and that the world will be demanding such an aircraft. This is a company that is built on technology throughout. It needs to keep driving that technology forward, looking at better ways, more efficient ways of flying more and more people from A to B around the world. The world, of course, doesn't get any larger. We have to find better ways of getting around it.
Mega tsunamis on Mars. Yesterday, when a group of astronomers announced that mega tsunamis on Mars probably helped shape the red planet terrain in a paper published in Nature Scientific Report. The researchers were trying to figure out what formed the northern plains on Mars. For a long time, astronomers thought that the plains were shaped around 3.4 billion years ago by a huge Martian ocean. Problem is, oceans tend to create shoreline with consistent elevation, but the northern plains have geology features at all kinds of different elevation. Using a computer model of Martian geology, the team found that huge tsunamis could have created those features, washing water out from the ocean in giant 120-meter wave. Asteroid impact that formed at least 2 of the craters in the northern plains could have caused these tsunamis, probably about 3 million years apart. The more recent tsunami could have spread a lot of water across the plains, which would have frozen into the water ice. Because the ancient Martian ocean was so salty, it probably took tens of billions of years to freeze, which would have been plenty of time for ancient Martian life to establish an ecosystem. After all, life can survive in salty, liquid water here on Earth, so this ancient ice water deposit could be a great place to look for signs of ancient life, and some of them aren't too far from where NASA's Pathfinder mission landed in 1997. Portal Science, share the knowledge. Break Radio 92.8 FM.